I'm going to start by using my 1 3/4 to get it wavelength. I'm trying to keep it dark so a 1 1/2 will not be the blade that we will use on this cut. I'm just going to cut the length down first so it can be easier to fade into. I'm only going to cut from the crown to the front of his head. My next step, I'll take my 5-0 and just start making a bald line. After making the bald line, I will use my 1 guard to make a guideline. This guideline will just help me know where to stop the fade. Wrapping my index envy with the lever closed, I will start to take out the bottom line, only using the corner of the blade. Next, I'll open my lever halfway and continue to use the corner of the blade. Next, I'll open my clipper up all the way and continue to use the corner of the blade. I'm just using the corner of the blade to create a nice soft taper. Now I'll take my 2 guard and remove the remaining bulk. I'm just trying to get this taper as smooth as possible, giving it a smooth transition from the taper to the front of the shag. Okay, on the other side of the head, we'll just do the same steps. Create a bald line. Take a 1 guard to create a guideline. Remove the guard and work the lever to create a nice soft taper. Take a guard and remove the remainder of the bulk. Now using my 1 guard on the fade blade, I will start to cut into the shag to get a smooth transition from the shag to the taper. After getting that smooth transition I'm looking for, I will take my clippers and using the fade blade and start to freehand the shag. After freehanding the shag, I will take my mousse and apply it to the head. This will keep everything in place. After applying the mousse and drying it, I will take my clippers and freehand the loose ends off the hair. Now I'll start to trim up the neck, making a round shape. Please do not make a square shape on a shag. It will not turn out right. Now I'll edge up his front hairline. After lining his hairline, I will apply a pencil. This pencil will help me see the loose ends that's hanging over the hairline. It will make the hairline a nice, precise hairline. To get that hairline nice and crispy, I always remember to pull the scalp. Pull the scalp tight. I try to do a nice dry shave after every lineup to make the lineup even more precise. After getting his hairline the way I wanted, I will pick up my Pro Alloy fades and start to freehand again. This will give me that nice polished look at the end of the cut.